So we got RT-Cat 700, and the suspension bushes are gone. Gonna be replacing. So first thing first, put in the vise. Got chisel. Hammer the middle part off, then outside. Just going slowly around. Okay, we got that out. So now just pop that in. I'm gonna use the vise instead of press. Yes, everyone got vise, but not everyone got the press. So I'm gonna start. Okay, got in and open. I'm gonna put the socket from the other side. I'm gonna get all the way in. So bit more. Okay, got socket. Hold on there. Okay, socket over there, and keep going now all the way in. Okay, a bit more. Let's see. So we got our bush in the place, nice and easy. All right, thanks for watching.